Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Nintendo Switch 2 charging issue when it's not charging.
Fix 1. Check the charger and cable. Step 1. Use the original Nintendo charger. Step 2. Plug it directly into a wall outlet. Step 3. Make sure the cable is firmly connected. Fix 2. Clean the charging port. Step 1. Unplug the charger. Step 2. Check the USB-C port for dust or lint. Step 3. Gently clean it with a soft brush or air. Fix 3. Charge without the dock. Step 1. Remove the Switch 2 from the dock. Step 2. Plug the charger directly into the console. Step 3. Look for the charging icon. Fix 4. Force restart the console. Step 1. Hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Step 2. Release it. Step 3. Plug in the charger and wait a few minutes. Fix 5. Try a different power source. Step 1. Use another wall outlet. Step 2. Avoid power strips or extensions. Step 3. Test charging again. Fix 6. Let it charge longer. Step 1. Leave the console plugged in for 30 to 60 minutes. Step 2. Do not turn it on during this time. Step 3. Check the battery level.